This water pump started making a rough, noisy sound. When a pump starts sounding like this, one common cause is a worn-out bearing. So I'm going to take it apart, replace the bearing, and see if that solves the problem. This pump had been making that rough noise for a while, so I pulled it out of the ground to inspect it. I've already covered the disassembly in another video. If you want to see the full process, check the link in the top right corner. Now that the pump is disassembled, I can get to the bearing. The old bearing is still stuck inside the pump housing. I don't have a bearing puller, so I had to improvise. Using a flathead screwdriver and a hammer, I carefully knocked the old bearing out. With the old bearing out, it's time to install the new one. Before putting everything back together, I applied some grease inside the bearing seat. I also put some grease on the rotor shaft. I also applied a little grease to the outside of the bearing. I installed the replacement bearing into the pump housing. And that completes the bearing replacement. Now it's time to put the pump back together. I've covered the complete reassembly in another video as well. You can find the link in the top right corner. Now for the moment of truth. Let's turn it on and see how it sounds. Much better. The rough noise is gone and the pump is running smoothly again. And that's it. A simple bearing replacement brought this water pump back to life. If you enjoy practical repairs like this, subscribe for more.